Sanket, Panchatantra. Birds and the Snake. In a forest, there lived two birds on a nest atop a tree. The female bird would lay eggs. Beneath the tree, there lived a snake in an anthill. Once the birds went out of the nest, the snake would slither on the top of the tree and eat the eggs laid there. The birds on return, seeing the eggs being broken, were very sad. They observed that it was the snake which was eating their eggs. The mother bird went to the snake and pleaded, "Oh snake, if you eat all the eggs that I lay, I cannot foster any fledglings. Please do not eat the eggs." The snake replied arrogantly, "I am hungry, hence I am eating your eggs. Stalk me if you can." The mother bird was desperate and sad that she was unable to bring forth fledglings. The male bird assured, saying that, "Do not worry, I shall teach this snake a lesson," and flew away. There was a lake inside the forest, wherein the princess of the land would come to bathe. Once, the princess removed her pearl necklace and kept it on a slab nearby and went for her bath. Seeing this, the male bird picked the necklace and flew away. Seeing this, the princess shouted, "Oh, my pearl necklace!" Hearing which, the soldiers followed the bird. The bird dropped the necklace inside the anthill. The soldiers started breaking the anthill. The snake emerged from the anthill angrily. The soldiers killed the snake and took the necklace back to the princess. She was happy, and the birds too were happy, knowing that the snake was no longer a threat. The moral of the story: brain is mightier than the brawn.